Welcome to the Tele Radio Academy. Today, we will show you how to set the custom ID on a T60TX08 STL transmitter and register it on the T60RX08 ASL receiver. The receiver can store up to 5 transmitter ID codes. For this example, we will use 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. Start by unscrewing the clip, battery lid, and rear housing of the first transmitter. The transmitter will use its own unique ID code if all DIP switches are set to 0. Program the desired ID code by moving the DIP switches to plus, 0, or minus. We advise to use at least 4 switches for the custom ID code. We will set the ID code to plus 00, plus 00, plus 00, plus, as an example for this instruction video. Repeat the steps for the second transmitter. Screw back the rear housing and place the batteries correctly on both transmitters. Screw back the lid and clip on both transmitters. Grab the receiver. Connect the receiver to a power supply. Press the receiver function button for approximately 1 second. Press the receiver select button for approximately 1 second. The receiver relay LEDs light up. Press the receiver select button again to confirm the relay selection. The receiver will stay in registration mode for approximately 6 seconds. Grab the transmitter, press and hold button 1 to assign button 1 to 8 automatically to the corresponding relays in the receiver. LED D24 lights up 3 times and the relay LEDs turn off. Release the button. The transmitters are now registered. Both transmitters are able to control the receiver now. This procedure is valid for the following transmitters and receivers: T60 TX-ST transmitters and T60RX-08 AS and BS receivers.